A beautiful morning. Time to walk our dogs. Pasyal? Pasyal? Perfect day to walk your dogs. I'm gonna show you a primary rainforest here in Bukidnon, Philippines. This is a primary rainforest. Just near our home. One of the remnants of the primary rainforest here in Bukidnon, Philippines, specifically in the city or the town of Valencia. Bukidnon was once covered with primary rainforests all throughout Bukidnon, but because of human activities, a few of them remain. And that is one of those. A virgin forest, an example of a real Philippine jungle. And later, we're gonna go there and explore. Are you ready? Join me. Let's take a look once again at the lush forest of that mountain. All right, let's go. A lot of birds in this area because we're near that forest or that jungle. Look at those different kinds of birds, especially early morning and in the afternoon. Time check, it is already 10:22 in the morning. It's really good to be in an area surrounded by forests, lots of trees. You can really feel the energy that it gives, the oxygen and the ions that are good for your health. In Japan, they have a thing called forest therapy or forest bathing, where people go there, hike, just immerse themselves inside a forest without their gadgets or without technology to distract them. According to their research, it is very beneficial to their health and to their well-being. So that's what we're gonna do later. We're gonna go to that forest and just enjoy nature and appreciate wonderful trees. Let's go. You do wanna come? Let's go. She doesn't wanna come because of this thick vegetation. But for Inday, she loves this kind of terrain because she is designed for this. Look at this kind of dog. A mixed Maltese, a mixed breed. One is Maltese, the mom is Maltese, and the other breed, we don't know. Probably a spin and probably some terrier blood in there. Look at that. She looks like a terrier. A hunting dog. Let us go. And this one is a pure Maltese breed. Let us go. Sanjing, let's go. She doesn't want to come. Having said that, let's tie her here. And then me and Inday will explore. She's gonna stay here. Inday, let us go. Let's go. There she is. She's designed for this. Go, 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 go. All right, dead end. Look at that majestic mountain. We're gonna be there later. Hike, enjoy nature with our dogs. Time to head into the car. We're gonna explore, hoping to find some monkeys. because the last time I was there, oh, it's really windy. Hope you can hear me. The last time I was there, I remember at this time, around 11-12 a.m., I saw lots of monkeys in that forest. About 20 of them playing, being together in those trees. So hopefully today we're gonna see them again. It's quite rare to see them because they do not stay near the trail. Time to refuel, feed the dogs, and then head into the car. Inday. Inday. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Sanjing. 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 Good girl. We are now at the foot of the mountain, about to enter a primary forest. Are you ready for the hike? She's ready. Let us do it. We are greeted by this lush forest. You can see here, you can hear some forest sounds already. You can see here some bamboo. We're now entering in a more dense part of the mountain. Oh, look at that. This is so relaxing. The sound of the breeze rustling against the trees, sounds of birds, the abundance of trees, and of course our companion makes this a relaxing moment, a relaxing hike. Good for our health, good for our total well-being. Forest therapy or forest bathing. This way is leading to the peak, to the summit, but it's not a forested area anymore. And this is off the beaten track, the actual primary forest. So there is no trail in there, but I want to explore it. Let's enter this tropical rainforest. All right, let's do it. Let's enter the jungle. No trail. Primary forest with lots of animals. Let us do this. Explore. What do you have here? All right, off the beaten track. Oh wow. It is so lush, not like the forest in Europe. This has an undergrowth which is so thick. It's quite difficult to maneuver, especially without a trail like this. It's mostly bamboo here, so there's a high probability that there are snakes here. In fact, at the bottom or at the jump off, they have like a mini zoo, and they used to have a python there, but then the python was able to escape and it went into this forest. So for sure, there are pythons here as well. Look at this tree, a very majestic tree, an old tree, an example of the trees here, which was not planted by people. It was just here long time ago. Again, look at these trees. Right, let's go. The one with no trail is quite difficult, so we're looking for a trail going deep inside the jungle. And now I see a trail. Let's go there. Look at that. Going deep into the forest. So this is the main road, but we are deviating from the main road and going inside. The art of travel is deviating from one's plan. Oh, wow, look at her. Let me release her. Let me release her so she's free to explore the forest. All right, she's designed for this. A mixed terrier and a spin. Look at that. Good girl. Look at that. All right, let's go, let's go. Let's go over there. Oh, wow. This is awesome. Look at this. There are vines. All right, an actual trail. And now she's free. Should we go there or there? Again, this forest is full of wild animals. Last time I saw lots of monkeys over here in this area, about 20 of them. And of course, there are snakes, different kinds of birds, insects, and there are 500 plus species of plants and 300 plus species of trees native here in the Philippines. Again, not planted because it's a primary rainforest. Awesome. We can just see this from my place, but now we are now here inside this tropical rainforest with our dog for our companion. A solo hike basically, which is very relaxing. This is forest therapy. She's designed to be a companion dog. She's not going far away even though I released her already. An amazing companion. See, she's not going far away. She just sticks with me. Alright, let's go, let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Deep inside the jungle. I remember when I was hiking in a forest in Europe, in Germany, at the Eiffel Mountains, in the Eiffel Mountains. It was an amazing moment, and it's so relaxing because forests in Europe, they're different to forests here in the Philippines because they don't have undergrowth, so you can just go into them without any hindrance and you can just walk freely. But here is different. Take a look. Apart from those tall trees like that one, they are thick undergrowth. So if there's no trail, you need a jungle bolo to make a trail for you. Unlike in Europe, even if it doesn't have a trail, you can just go inside the forest. A more relaxing activity in Europe, but here it's more adventurous. Oh, my dog is there already exploring. Maybe she'll find something. Maybe monkeys, maybe snakes. What's up? What do you have there? Oh, she's exploring. She's designed for this. A mixed breed with some terrier blood in there. And of course the mom is Maltese. So an adventurous dog indeed. Alright guys, look at this. Wow. This is so relaxing. A more relaxing part of the mountain. Oh, she's exploring now. She's getting comfortable in the forest. She's now there. Inday! Not too far. Not too far. Come here, girl. Not too far. Good girl. Alright, good girl. Here, 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 here. Good girl. Stick on the trail for safety. Listen to the sound of the forest. Oh wow, what is that? Is that a wasp nest? Oh no. That one. What is that? Is that a wasp nest? I'm not sure. Hopefully not. A very relaxing sound, far away from the city center. This is still part of Valencia, technically, in the province of Bukidnon. One of the few remaining primary forests in Bukidnon, a remnant of a once valley covered with primary forest. So good thing they were able to preserve this. Look at those trees. Towering trees. Let us continue the hike. Let's go, let's go. This is an example of an original tree. A lofty tree. She's enjoying the hike. Exploring over there. The purpose of this hike is really for the dog, because I've been here before. So I want her to experience a raw wilderness, not just at our subdivision. Inday, let's go. Let's head over there. Let's go back. Come here. Here. Here, here, here. Good girl. Look at that. So active. All right. Let's head over to that direction. To that direction. This time an ascent. I think this is really a wasp nest. I'm not sure, but I think so. You good? Let us go. Oh, it's getting more difficult because we are now ascending the mountain on this trail, an off the beaten track trail, not the main trail of this mountain. Too bad the monkeys are not here today. The forest is huge, the mountain is huge, so they are in different areas, so it's quite rare to really see them. Good thing I was able to see them before. Oh. It's really tiring. Let's take a rest and just enjoy being here, immersed in the forest. The sound, the sights, and the energy that it brings, rich in oxygen and negative ions, good for our health. We're gonna stay here for quite a while for rest and to savor being here in one of the primary forests in the Philippines, Bukidnon, in the island of Mindanao. Sounds of the forest. When going hiking, it is best to turn off your device, your phones, or any music, and just immerse yourself in sounds of nature like this. Inday, are you tired? Are you tired, Inday? Inday? Okay lang? Okay lang? Shall we go? Let us do it. All right. Follow me. Oh, she knows a trail. She's going over there, which is an actual trail. She knows how to guide. But we're still going to explore. So come back. We're gonna go there. Inday. Let's go. Come here. Inday. Not there. Here. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Alright. Oh wow, this is so thick. You good? Oh, there's nothing in here. Good. All right. Oh, there you are. Let us now head to the peak. Let's go. Head to the peak. There's the peak. Let us continue. And the dog is enjoying it as well, for sure. You good? She's resting as well. Take a look. Oh, the breeze is so comforting. Stop! No! Good girl. We're almost at a peak. Take a look at that view. Another view deck. Look at that. This is Bukidnon. Valencia Bukidnon. In fact, that is Maramag already, I think. That is Maramag already. Look at the plains, rice field. And look at those forests. More forests over there. More remnant of forests here in this valley. Valencia Bukidnon. And that is the highway going to Davao. You can see there, Pulangi River. But more importantly, I'm happy for those forests. That we still have them. Lush forests just near my house. Alright, let's continue to the peak. Man's best friend. Very loyal. Man's best friend indeed. Running uphill. And now we've reached the part of the mountain that is not primary forest already. These are already planted by people, this part of the mountain. And as you notice, there are only few forest sounds, few sounds of birds, because it is not natural anymore. I mean, it is still nature, of course, but it is not primary, which means it was already planted by people. And these are not native to the Philippines. These are pine trees imported from other countries. It looks nice, it looks good, but nothing compares to primary forest, native species of trees in the Philippines. Let us continue. Oh no, she saw something. She saw something. She's hunting something. Pushed! What was that? Oh no, she can climb. Look at that. What an amazing dog. That is so steep, almost 90 degrees. But then she can climb. I wasn't able to take a video of the rest of the hunt, but she saw something and she just sprung into action, climbing even that 90-degree slope. If I didn't say no, maybe she could have gone there on top. Wow, amazing. I think there's some terrier blood in this dog, looking at the features and the appearance. Good girl. What was that? Good girl. Let's go. I wasn't able to take video of the beginning, but then she saw something. I'm not sure. Probably a lizard or even snake. And she just sprung into action, catching the one. That's what I notice as well whenever I walk her in my subdivision. She has this strong prey drive. She chases birds, grasshoppers. So the point is, she has a very high prey drive. Wow, awesome dog. She's designed to be in this kind of environment. Wilderness, forests, jungles, grassland, places with lots of stimulus or stimuli for her hunting ability to be maximized. Do you see where we came from? That was where we were this morning, walking our dogs. And now we're here in the mountain. Let us continue. I remember the Philippine forest dog, where he can climb trees and some walls and steep slopes, because she was able to do that. This is like a 90 degree, almost 90 degree, yeah, I think it's 90 degree slope, doing like this, but then she was able to climb. She has this claws that are long, slender body, muscular, strong, agile dog. A perfect companion for hiking. Never climb a mountain without reaching its summit, without reaching its peak. Having said that, we are in the peak of this mountain, the topmost part, and it's quite windy up here. Look at the view. And here we have a better view from the peak, and you have some nice little huts. Let us soak in the view from the peak. That was where we were this morning, walking our dogs. That is a road going to Valencia proper, Valencia City proper, and all the way to Malaybalay and Cagayan de Oro. The elevation of this mountain is 600 plus. I think it's 646 meters above sea level. On top it's not forest anymore, but it's mostly grassland, Kogon grass, although they planted some trees already. But there, in the northern part of the mountain, it is still a primary rainforest. And I think we can see those from here. Look at those trees. That is the northern part of this mountain, the primary forest part. It is very windy. I hope you heard me. Just soaking in the view from the peak. An amazing hike. And she is resting too. And you can see there Pulangi River. You can see here that it is a valley surrounded by mountain ranges. Those are the mountain ranges of Bukidnon. So that was our hike and exploration of this mountain and its forest. And now it's time to head back home. Always remember to always walk your dogs, because a tired dog is a happy dog. See you in the next video.